Here is a question to start. When do money habits really begin? Some people say at 7 years old. Some say 12, some say 16. So at what age do experts believe our money habits start to form? Do not answer yet. Keep it in your mind. We will come back to it. Welcome to Ninja English. Today, we learn 5 useful English words about money and children. Simple words you can use in real life. Listen, repeat, and learn with me. Many children get a small amount of money each week from their parents. We call this pocket money. Pocket money is a small, regular amount of money given to a child. With pocket money, a child can learn how to make choices. He can buy a small toy, or he can keep his pocket money for later. Pocket money is the first step in learning about money. But what does a child do when he wants something bigger? When you want something bigger, you keep your money slowly, week after week. To keep money over time for a goal is to save up. A child can save up for a new bicycle. He does not buy it today. He waits and he saves up a little more each week. When you save up, you learn patience. Saving up feels slow, but the goal feels wonderful. And when the money grows, the child begins to understand something deeper. When a child saves for a long time, he starts to understand the value of his money. The value of something is how important or how useful it is. He learns the value of hard work. He learns the value of waiting. A toy that took months to buy feels special. That is the value of patience. Understanding the value of money is one of life's best lessons. But knowing the value is only half of it. The next step is how you use it. Money is easy to lose, so we teach children to spend wisely. To spend wisely means to use your money in a careful, smart way. A child who can spend wisely thinks before he buys. He asks, "Do I really need this?" When you spend wisely, your money lasts longer. To spend wisely is a skill for the whole of life, not only for children. But there is one more idea, maybe the most important one of all. Money does not appear by magic. People work and they earn it. To earn money means to get money by working for it. A child can earn a little pocket money by helping at home. When you earn something yourself, you feel proud. Money you earn feels different from money you are given. Children who learn to earn understand where money truly comes from. And that lesson stays with them forever. Now repeat after me, slowly. I want to save up for a new bicycle. I always try to spend wisely. I earn my pocket money by helping at home. 5 new words, and now they are yours. Quick test. What is one thing you would save up for? Write your answer in the comments. Oh, and the answer to our first question. Experts say money habits start to form by about 7 years old. Subscribe to Ninja English for a new lesson from real life every day. See you next time.